Yes, let's look at this JAMB past questions, Physics 2018, question number 5. Which of the following does not describe the image formed by a plane mirror? A. Erect. B. Laterally inverted. C. Same distance from mirror as object. D. Magnified. Now, for us to appreciate this question very well, we need to look at the properties of image formed in a plane mirror. So we need to know this. If we know these properties, then it will be easier for us to be able to identify the answer. Now, we look at the properties of images formed in a plane mirror, which is the question here, so that we can identify from the options that we have here the one that is not there. Now, the following are their properties. They are: number 1, erect. Number 2, they are laterally inverted. It's one of the properties. 3, they are same size as the object placed in front of it. Placed in front, that is, they are same size as the object. That's the meaning of that. Then 4, they are also same distance as the object in front, or just object. And number 5, they are virtual. That is, they cannot be formed on a photographic screen. They are virtual. That is, cannot be formed on a photographic screen. So all these are characteristics of images formed by a plane mirror. So we can simply see that the option that is not there is D, which is magnified. So images that are formed by a plane mirror, very, very important, they are not magnified, unlike that of concave and convex lenses. For plane mirror, you don't have magnification. So D is the right answer to this, because these are actually the properties of images formed by a plane mirror. They are erect, they are laterally inverted, they are same size as the object and same distance as the object. So, and they are virtual. So those are the properties, and from that, the option that is not there is magnified, D. Thank you.